Hello everybody, my name is Etienne from Sviteco. At Sviteco we support businesses dealing with connected devices by developing dashboards, allowing them to gather better insight and better intelligence from their connected device and appliances. At Sviteco we believe that Internet of Things should not be the privilege of the biggest companies or the most tech-savvy one. That's why we are using a technology which is user-friendly, which is called DGLux5. And over the coming videos, I'm going to show you what can be done with this technology and how it can bring you value. So this first video today, I'm going to show a simple dashboard dealing with meters. So we have 12 meters measuring water consumption in facilities in 4 cities across Europe. So the data of this meter is connected to the dashboard, and we have here a simple interface to manage them and start learning from the data. So first you have a starting page where we can put pretty much any key information you want to display first when you reach the platform. So here we have information about anomalies, a view on consumption over last hours, and maps just showing where the meters are located. What we have as well in this interface is a part related to alarms or crashes. So that's something we configure systematically, is that you are going to define what is a standard behavior in terms of water consumption or whatever things needs to be consumed. And if you have something happening which is not normal, the system will generate an alert. So in this specific case, we see some issues of battery, of temperature which is too high, or things which are related to some leakages basically in the facilities. So this can be configured yourself inside the system. Here we can as well acknowledge the status of a specific alarm or see who acknowledge it, and we can as well post different notes to say what is being done on the specific situation. So that's in a further video we're going to dig how this alarm system can be configured. Further on we have a section reporting where you can see basic data of consumption inside the facilities between different points in time. We have as well as possibility to design some heat map showing you where the peaks of consumption in the different facilities. And last but not least, we have a section analytics and planning where we can design pretty much any type of visual to help you dig inside your data and learn from this data. So here you have some kind of specific chart. We can view the information in a chart mode, comparing one period with another. So last 7 days, 7 days before, that's one example. You can as well compare your data with some reference data. So for example, compare the fact with a plan, which may be calculated somewhere else. Compare the consumption with maybe an optimal situation in terms of water consumption. You can do this over any type of specific period. Or going even further, you can just start analyzing the share of consumption of the different meters over the overall consumption. So here we have this small view. You can then filter naturally by the specific cities or streets which are interesting for you. Here you have another view like looking at consumer share. So I'm just checking a little bit. Then you can remove some of them if some are not interesting. So these are some of the flexibilities the system is offering. So this was just a first snapshot. Over coming video we are going to dig into some of the capabilities of the system. We are going to look at other type of dashboards to communicate with devices, for example, some others just to make a visualization of available data source for somewhere else. We will look at dashboards for energy efficiency, dashboard for control of supermarkets. So all this will be coming over next videos to show you what you can do with DGLux5 and Sviteco services. Thank you.